What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Alright, so the battery's at like half level right now, so I'm gonna have to charge it, but this is day 2. We're gonna be going to this dealership over in, I believe, Venice, going to check on Jason's Audi, because we went to the G35 yesterday, so we're gonna check out the Audi today. It's an Audi A3 2.0 turbo 6-speed, and check that out and see if he likes it or not. So we're gonna take you along yet again. What's good, guys?
What's good, boys? Over here, part 2 in this expedition, trying to get this new car. We got Madel, we got Gomez, it's his channel, and we got the love of my life, Lorianne Yalung, say hi. So today we're gonna go check out this Audi A3 hatch. It's 2006, it's a stick shift.
It's red, slammed.
Bright red, it's not slammed, it's stock. It's pretty cool, actually. I wanted it so bad. Trying to be luxury, you feel me? We're gonna check it out, and we'll see you later.
Dude, you have such quality voice, dude. Love it. Fuck buying Jay's car, bro. Let's just get a rental. What'd you say?
So you should have done a joke like, oh, here's the car. This is when we go back today.
That shit's hard. Oh.
Wait, how do we get this out?
Paint. A little bit of chips. It's okay though. The headlights look clean. The sunroof looks fine. Make sure that shit tilts and everything. How do the seats look good?
Let's look at the lines. See if
Well, when we open the door, we'll check it out. The seats look good though.
Look at this. That's super awesome. Yeah, it doesn't look right.
We'll pop the trunk and then we'll check
This
the
looks
bolts.
painted, bro. To be honest, feel it.
It does look painted. It's two different
They'll
colors.
give you a Carfax. That's for a Carfax.
Two different colors. But then the rear bumper is definitely.
Yeah, you can tell. You see, it's not,
Yeah,
it's not even the
different
same
colors.
red. Yeah, it's not even the same red. So I can expect there to probably be some sort of damage, and like that you can even fill it with the paint.
Look.
Yeah, the VIN's fine. 3 owners. All personal. It looks fine.
He said he repainted the front bumper and the rear bumper.
Probably scratches and shit.
Yeah,
Doesn't mean
that's
that
what
it
it's
was probably damaged. Spare all the tools. Yeah, you can tell it's been painted. Yeah, you can tell it's been painted. Sounds good.
Sounded good when it turned on?
Yeah.
Can't check it right now.
Lotus? Yeah.
Smooth ride.
This is way better than the fucking G.
Yeah, this alley.
I feel comfy, bro, right here.
No, when we're done.
Oh, when we're
yeah,
done,
when we're
okay.
done, yeah. He said make what was it, a left and a right?
So just don't go on the weekend. Yeah, this is your cover, bro.
Dude, I love this car.
Yeah, it feels. Oh shit.
it looks good.
The rear windshield wipers just went up. I was like, I'm gonna make a left right. Oh, one way. Everything feels fine. I don't know if this is how the clutch is supposed to feel.
When I drove Eddie's S4, it felt soft like that.
Do you want me to drive it?
Yeah, sure. You want to drive it?
I'll try it really quick.
I like it, dude, honestly. It feels good. It doesn't feel slow.
I like it
bro,
smooth. The
slow.
clutch feels good,
It's
dude.
slow, but it's not like my old car slow. And it felt, and it feels
Bless
better. It feels better than how the G35 felt.
I like this a lot, actually.
I think the G's faster.
I think this feels really good.
The G is faster, but it doesn't
Should
feel.
go left?
You should have made it right.
You think so?
That's
go
where I
left?
came from.
Going higher gears, see,
I
dude.
pulled it better, bro. No, just kidding. Bro, like,
It's cheap, bro.
I'll go higher gears.
It's 6 G's, bro. No, you made it straight and a right.
It was right here. You
yeah,
went
that's
down
why I
there.
made a left down here. Make a left.
Spools. Turbo sounds good. I don't feel any.
Hey, mommy.
Sounds good, dude. The steering's good.
Yeah, the steering felt good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
I like
super
it.
felt
I like
solid.
it, Jay. I don't feel a problem with you buying this.
Well, it's just me, bro. Like, I'm giving you my opinion. Like,
I know. I need you to tell me
Bro,
why.
that doesn't bother
So
you,
listen.
like all these dents, dude. It's been in a crash, bro, for sure.
Where do you want me to go?
And they're hiding that it's been in a crash.
Well, they're not hiding it. It just wasn't reported. It's not
Well, that's hiding.
It's,
Yeah.
well, true.
Nigga, did
hiding,
you just
But it's
say?
not the dealership's fucking job to know that. You know, it's. I don't know which one it is.
Just go straight, dude.
Let's go straight.
It's this one.
No, it's Garfield.
Oh, it's Garfield. My bad.
This guy's stopping, dude. You're tripping.
Bro, you gotta check the brakes.
Did it break?
Yeah, the
I
brakes
think
are
we're
cool.
good, bro.
Yeah,
I
the
think
brakes
we're
are
good.
Good
cool.
too.
Mechanically cool, but like.
Right here.
This is a couple of days after the actual video. I actually lost the file as I'm rendering it out right now. I noticed that the files were gone for the very end. Jason was not willing to get the Audi A3 because the paint being done, it didn't feel right to us. So he didn't end up going through with it, but he's most likely set on buying an Audi A3, and we're gonna continuously look for some more and keep basically going until we find Jason his car. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a good one, guys.